Miracle vitamin that halts diabetes and restores kidney health in just 60 days. Hello and welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for a natural way to manage diabetes and improve kidney health, you're in the right place. Today, we're uncovering the miracle vitamin that's making waves for its ability to halt diabetes and restore kidney health in just 60 days. Let's dive in and explore how this vitamin can transform your health. 1. The vitamin revelation. The spotlight today is on vitamin D. Known for its essential role in bone health, vitamin D is now being recognized for its profound impact on diabetes management and kidney health. Research has shown that maintaining optimal vitamin D levels can have a significant effect on controlling blood sugar levels and improving kidney function. 2. How vitamin D halts diabetes. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in insulin production and sensitivity. It helps regulate blood sugar levels by improving the function of insulin, the hormone responsible for managing glucose in the blood. Low vitamin D levels have been linked to an increased risk of type 2 diabetes. By ensuring you get enough vitamin D, you can help your body maintain better blood sugar control and potentially halt the progression of diabetes. 3. Restoring kidney health with vitamin D. Vitamin D is also vital for kidney health. It helps regulate calcium and phosphorus levels, which are essential for maintaining healthy kidney function. Studies suggest that adequate vitamin D levels can reduce the risk of kidney disease and improve overall kidney function. In individuals with existing kidney issues, vitamin D supplementation may help slow disease progression and enhance kidney health. 4. The 60-day transformation. You might be wondering, how quickly can you see results? Many people report noticeable improvements in their blood sugar levels and kidney function within just 60 days of starting a vitamin D regimen. However, results can vary based on individual health conditions and baseline vitamin D levels. For best results, it's crucial to combine vitamin D supplementation with a balanced diet and regular exercise. 5. How to get enough vitamin D. There are two primary ways to ensure you're getting enough vitamin D. Sun exposure. Spending time in the sun allows your body to produce vitamin D naturally. Aim for 10 to 30 minutes of sun exposure several times a week, depending on your skin type and location. Diet and supplements. Incorporate vitamin D-rich foods into your diet, such as fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and egg yolks. For many, especially those with limited sun exposure, vitamin D supplements may be necessary. Consult with your healthcare provider to determine the right dosage for your needs. 6. Consult with a healthcare provider. Before starting any new supplement, including vitamin D, it's essential to consult with a healthcare provider. They can help you determine your current vitamin D levels and recommend an appropriate dosage based on your individual health needs. Conclusion: vitamin D is indeed a powerful ally in managing diabetes and supporting kidney health. With the right levels, you can potentially halt the progression of diabetes and experience significant improvements in kidney function within just 60 days. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with those who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Here's to your health and well-being.